Libran for travel. Subscribe my channel and like, guys. How are you?
Tani. Hi guys, welcome.
Hi guys, welcome. Travels. Libran for travel. Subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay?
Kalam.
Hi guys. Subscribe my channel.
Pasensyahan nyo na guys, nakalimutan niya yung ano niya, script. Okay, one more. Dali, one more. Kalam, sir. Ila sang jadam ya suruh.
Hi guys. Libran for travel. Subscribe my channel and like and share.
Oh, di ba?
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up. Don't be I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
may-ari. Ito yung may-ari. Boss, anong magandang ano diyan? Anong specialty niyo ng ice cream?
Special namin dito mix amar with strawberry, blackberry and blueberry. Best seller for
Yan yung-
ice cream, fried ice cream.
Fried ice cream? Ano yung nakaprito yung ice cream?
Lahat yan
Lahat na.
press yan tapos
Naka ano?
bali, pinupukpok yan sa machine. Naka ice.
Ganun ba? Tapos, ano po bang i-interview? Hindi mo ko kumain. Mainit ba yung ice cream niya? Hindi.
Hindi, malamig. Yung ice cream namin is malamig, sobrang lamig yun.
Sobrang lamig.
Oo. 3 minutes to 5 minutes finish na yung product paggagawa ka ng ice cream.
Pero hindi lang ice cream ang tinda niyo, no? May
Hindi
ano
lang,
din kayo, may
sweet din kami, waffle.
Waffle.
May strawberry din kami na chocolate. Lahat ng customer dito is ice cream lang talaga yung in-order. Lalo na sa season na to. So ice cream ang best seller dito sa amin.
Ice cream. Anong flavor naman ng ice cream nyo?
Ang ice cream namin dito, maraming flavor dito. Sa chocolate naman, Kinder, Snickers, Mars, Galaxy, Ferrero, Oreo, lahat chocolate. Lahat ng chocolate ginagawa namin ng ice cream yan. Lahat ng flavor ng chocolate. Tapos sa fruits naman, may mga berries kami, blackberry, strawberry, red berry, blueberry, manga, rumak, ginagawang ice cream.
Yan guys, pagka kailangan bisitahin nyo na lang guys pag may time kayo guys dito lang sa sa UPIC UPIC Mubbaraz, no?
UPIC Mubbaraz.
Dito lang sa UPIC Mubbaraz.
Harap ng malaking mall.
Harap ng malaking mall. Sige boss, salamat boss ha.
Di mana sonar? Di mana so?
Sige.
Kalam kitsa.
Tisa.
Kitsa.